Welcome back, students. Now in the previous video we had seen what the students are doing and how much hard work is required. Now let me share with you some magazines or wall magazines which were put up by 6th day. So first wall magazine which were put by them were jokes. Teacher: Wally, why are you late? Wally: the train had a flat tire. Next joke: what are the 3 words most often used by students? The teacher asked the class. I don't know, sighed a student. That's correct, said the teacher. Next joke: why did the teacher wear sunglasses? Because his students were so bright. Teacher: I wish you'd pay a little attention. Student: I'm paying as little attention as possible. Next joke: Dad, how did you find your maths exam? Son: unfortunately, it wasn't lost. Teacher: your daughter's only 5 and she can spell her name backwards. Why? That's remarkable. Mother: yes, we are very proud of her. Teacher: and what is your daughter's name? Mother: Anna. So these are all the 6 jokes that were put by the students of class 6th A. Now let us read the next column that they had put. That is fun with words. Which bird can lift the heaviest weights? The crane. What can you serve but never eat? A tennis ball. What jam can't you eat? A traffic jam. What's the difference between a hungry person and a greedy person? One long street and the other eats too long. So these are the fun with words put by the students of 6th day on wall magazine. Now let us see the other specimen put by the students of 6th day. Science corner. Why do water tin sheets become hot in the sun but not a tree? Water and tin sheets are non-living. When they receive heat, they get heated according to their properties and may even change the state in which they are. Water turns into vapor and even tin sheets melt at very high temperatures. They do not make any attempts to cool themselves. But you know that bodies of living things carry out different processes that help them to survive or to adapt to their surroundings. Plants carry out a process called transpiration. In this process, water is absorbed by the root and is sent up through the stems, up to the leaves. On the underside of leaves, there are pores or holes called stomata. Plants use up some of the water they absorb and the rest is given out through this stomata. This process helps plants to cool themselves. Humans also use a similar process to cool themselves. Can you guess what it is? Yes, sweating. Also, you know that big trees have trunks. The trunks consist of wood. Wood is not a good conductor of heat. You may relate this information with what is given in your science textbook: responsiveness to stimuli, heat, states of matter, etc. Some questions for the next issue. Why do the sun and moon change their size? How can we see some channels on the same TV set? Why do we see one image when we have 2 eyes? Now let us see the other specimen, that is, I am confused, please help. My best friend is ignoring me this year. I feel angry and unhappy about it, but I still think of her as my best friend. Why is she doing this to me? I'm confused, please help. So students, here is one girl who is having an issue and she is asking for a help. Now let us see what help does she get. Expert advice from senior friends. Don't we all feel this sometime or other? Don't worry. Let's see what we can do. First, please think about it without getting upset. Is she really ignoring you? What are the things that you used to do together but don't do anymore? For example, sitting on the same bench, having your tiffin together, coming to school or going back home together, and so on. If you still do most of these things together, you may be wrong in thinking that she is ignoring you. You can talk to her about it. Find out if you have hurt her in some way, if there is a misunderstanding, and that is why she is not as warm towards you as she was before. If that is so, you can simply say sorry and she will immediately be friends with you again. Has she made new friends? Is that what is making you feel a little jealous and sad? Well, you can always be friends with her new friends. Your friend may appreciate it. If your last year's best friend has really started ignoring you without any reason, do not keep brooding about it. You can make friends with others. Maybe after a few days, your old friend will also be close to you once again. What could be some other problems for the next issue? Now let us read the next specimen by 6th A. The little rose tree. Every rose on the little tree is making a different face at me. Some look surprised when I pass by and others droop, but they are shy. These two whose heads together press tell secrets I could never guess. Some have their heads thrown back to sing and all the birds are listening. I wonder if the gardener knows or if he calls each just a rose. Written by Rachel Field. Lyrics. Did you ever see a horsefly? A horsefly, a horsefly. Did you ever see a horsefly? A horsefly, fly flying. Did you ever see a pen stand? A pen stand, a pen stand. Did you ever see a pen stand? A pen stand, stand stand. One bright day. A hand clapping rhyme. One bright day in the middle of the night, two dead soldiers got up to fight. Back to back they faced each other, drew the swords and shot each other. A deaf policeman heard the noise and ran to save the two dead boys. If you don't believe this lie is true, ask the blind man, he saw it too. So students, these are the different specimens put by students of 6th A. First they had put jokes, then they have put fun with words, then science corner, then the problem, that is I am confused, and she has got she has got expert advice also. Then next he had put rhyme and rhythm. So students, after seeing these specimens, I hope that you are excited to do something for your class. It's a very interesting activity. It will help you all to create a good environment in the class. You will feel very interesting to do it in the class. So students, now let us see the hard words and the meanings of this lesson. First one, periodicals, meaning magazines that are published every week or every month. Second, tremendous, meaning very great. Third, enthusiasm, meaning full of interest and excitement. Fourth, tidbits, meaning small but very interesting piece of information. So students, I hope that you have understood the lesson. So students, today we learnt about the wall magazine put by the students of 6th A. We saw different specimens which they had put in their wall magazine. So students, I hope that you have understood this lesson. I hope that you will develop good interest in studies as well as you become a good learner. These wall magazines will help you all to become a good learner, and your teaching as well as your learning, your environment will be good if you put up wall magazines in your class. These wall magazines are very interesting. It attracts other students, it attracts the teachers, it attracts other teachers as well, and if your class is put up with the wall magazine, it will look very beautiful and your learning will be very interesting. I hope students you have found this lesson interesting, something different than other lessons. This lesson is a unique, creative and a different idea given by the person who has written this. So students, I hope that you have found this lesson very interesting. Thank you students. Stay safe, stay healthy and take care.